In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button sound effect in Wix. This can enhance the interactivity of your website by providing auditory feedback when a visitor clicks a button. We'll walk through all the steps to make this happen smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already done so, you need to enable Velo by Wix, which used to be known as Wix Code. Velo allows you to access and use code features as well as additional element identifiers within your site. Simply navigate to your Wix editor and turn on Velo, located in the Settings menu. This is crucial as it opens up the tools you need to create the sound effect on your button. Next, we need to upload the sound file that you want to play when the button is clicked. Head over to the Media Manager within your Wix editor. Once you're there, click the option to upload and choose your desired sound file, such as clicksound.mp3. Your Media Manager acts as a repository to easily store and access media files across the site. With your sound file now uploaded, we're ready to move on. Now, from the Add menu in your Wix editor, you'll want to select Video and Music and then choose Audio Players. Here, you'll insert the most straightforward audio player you can find. The simplest one will suffice since it's just going to play your button sound effect. Position this audio player anywhere on your page. However, given that this player is only for your behind-the-scenes function, consider setting it to invisible so it doesn't distract or confuse your site visitors. Once the audio player is in place, it's time to set it up with your sound file. Assign the player to your uploaded audio file within the player settings. Additionally, in the Properties panel on the right, give this audio player an ID that you'll remember and recognize later in our code section. You might choose something intuitive like #AudioPlayer1. This ID will serve as a reference point in your code to make sure the right sound effect plays. Similarly, you'll need a button to trigger your sound. You have the option to use one you've already created or to add a new one entirely. Whichever you choose, ensure you assign this button a unique identifier, an ID you'll easily recall while coding. For example, #MyButton could be a fitting choice. Now, on to the coding part. With Velo by Wix enabled, open the code panel for the page where your button and audio player are located. Here, you'll write the JavaScript code that will link the button click to the sound effect. This step ensures when a user interacts with your button, the sound is executed perfectly. And there you have it. Following these steps, we'll add a professional touch to your Wix site with a responsive button sound effect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like these.